Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we have a special tour for you. Now this home is like a touch of farmhouse, a touch of cottage, a touch of Americana, a touch of primitive, and it's wonderful. We're visiting Amy, who has turned a 1950s New England Cape into a gorgeous little home full of shiplap and beautiful wood elements and a very wonderful minimal touch. So join me. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did.
How are you?
Oh, thanks so much for letting us come to your house.
You're welcome. Thank you for coming.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Can you tell me about your house?
Sure, but I just want you to watch out behind you because I don't want you here to go on fire. There's a little candle, but I think it must have went out.
Oh,
so you're good. You're good. So we moved here about 3 years ago. So we renovated the whole house except for the kids' bedrooms because we haven't got that far yet.
Okay.
So we will get there.
Yeah.
So everything else is renovated. As you can see, the little pictures on the wall, what it looked like before. It was just kind of plain traditional.
Uh-huh.
And we turned into this.
Oh my gosh. So when was this built?
1950.
Okay, so it's just a 1950 little cape.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And how would you describe your style?
I don't know. I would say American cottage.
Oh, I like that. Yeah. Because as I'm looking around, I see you have modern elements,
Yep.
you have primitive elements, and everything and kind of farmhouse with the white,
Yep.
It's just a cottage. It all goes together so well.
Thank you.
Wow. Okay, so you guys have been renovating this thing, which is amazing. Amazing.
My cousin did all the work.
Really?
I did the design and he does the work for me. Yeah.
Wow. Have you done this in any other houses?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, a couple.
I would hope so.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you're really good.
Thank
really
you.
talented. So we're going to take a look around the house, and I'd just like you to just kind of tell me about some of your furniture or why you chose to do it, you know?
Okay. All right.
All right, so let's start with the staircase. Yeah.
Okay, so that's the old staircase. I really wanted something kind of farmhouse, modern type. So we found this wood in the garage, actually.
Ooh.
It was a big piece of barnwood, I think, and we stripped it down and put it on top. We got these from Amazon. These came from Lowe's in like the clearance section.
No
And he
way.
made it. My cousin made it, yeah.
So he like totally designed it?
Yeah.
Oh
Yep.
my gosh. So if these were at Lowe's, what exactly were these?
These, I think they were posts for a fence, on like an outside fence.
Really?
Yep, and they were in clearance, so I said, hey.
Wow.
These can't go wrong.
And what made,
Yeah.
what a difference. This is the before. Oh man.
Yeah.
It opens up the space so much. And it kind of reminds me of the bridge in Boston.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely. Yep.
Wow. And what made you paint it red? Love the red.
Well, I did I did the staircase first.
Okay.
Actually, a YouTuber, Cynthia, had a guy on there, and I loved his colors, and he had this color red. I think it's carriage red.
Oh, is it Benjamin Moore?
Yes.
Okay,
Yep.
yes. Carriage red's a great color.
So I said, I'm gonna try the staircase, and then I said, I'm gonna do the fireplace too, because that was white.
Ooh.
Like 2 months ago.
It was white 2 months ago. And
Yep.
what about, is this like a gray?
Yep, that's Edgecombe gray. Well, the door is, I forgot the name of the color on the trim, but this is Edgecombe gray from Benjamin Moore.
Okay.
That color.
Oh, this white is?
Yep.
Really?
Yeah, it kind of looks white to you, right?
It does.
Everyone says it's gray. I'm like, no, it's more like off-white.
It is more like a
I'm glad you see that, because everything thinks I'm crazy.
Yeah, no. Oh, well, I don't know if I'm a good judge, but and that's a great light here. Hunter?
It's a little dusty. Yeah.
Yeah, wow. That's so cool.
Thank you.
I love your step back cabinet.
Oh, thank you.
Ooh,
A
I
guy
love
in Grafton makes those.
Really?
This went out of business a really long time ago.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And you even have a fish. Sweet. And you've totally mastered the minimal look here.
Yeah.
You
It's
know?
not too cluttery.
Right.
There's a lot to clean when it's like that.
Well, that's true. And you were telling me there's about 6 kids that,
Yes.
get to call
Yeah.
this home.
Exactly. So sure they would touch everything.
So this mantle, was that here when you moved in?
The mantle was, but I ripped out the area where the brick is because it was old and just 80s looking. So
Okay.
we just put the tile on there. It's a brick tile.
Oh, wow.
And then I just kind of whitewashed it a little bit.
Beautiful.
So it looks old. Yeah.
Beautiful.
And the floor. We did the floors over.
Oh, wow. Oh, they're nice.
I kind of wish I went with the wider ones, but I couldn't find them.
Oh, yeah.
Unless I did it out of the pine, but...
Did you get them from Lowe's also?
Yes.
Yes, I've seen them
actually,
there.
the floor Home Depot.
Oh, okay. Okay. It looks a lot like another... Oh, so this is what it used to look like.
And there was windows on the side of the...
Oh.
We took them out.
You took windows.
Yeah, they were just awkward, two little windows.
Oh, wow. So how long did you live in here before you took everything apart?
Oh my God, the day I moved in,
Yeah.
I was painting. The day I moved in. And I was scraping the windows, ripping the casing off, so it didn't take long. I would go to bed and think about it while I was sleeping, so, you know.
Oh, I hear you. I do the same thing.
Yep.
Great touch with the tree in the corner.
Yep.
Wow. This is really beautiful, Amy.
Thank you.
Just, I love it. Even, and you know, you have this TV here,
Yeah.
which normally that's something we all try to hide, right?
I know.
But you've made it work.
Thank you.
Because of the modern elements in this
Yep.
room.
Yeah.
And you know, what a great place for a TV.
Yeah.
I mean,
Definitely.
yeah, this
Yep.
is beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, girl.
And of course, I love those old couches, but they're not comfortable. So I went with
Yeah.
couches.
But see, this is, I think, a perfect example of putting the old with the new
Yeah.
and making it
Making
work.
it work, right?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, because some of us, well, I know I've gone very primitive in my house, but my house is so old.
Yep.
It just needs
goes,
that. It
right.
goes.
Yeah.
It goes. But
Yeah.
this is a great way for people who love the primitive style, but they're not going to, you know, totally adopt it.
Right. Yeah. Because
Yeah.
it is a lifestyle change.
It sure
Yeah.
is.
Yeah.
And even your, okay,
Oh,
your peg rack.
Yeah, that came from Primitive Goods in Uxbridge.
Did it really?
Yep.
See, I love this. So, yeah, you know, I lived in Uxbridge too for a while. So,
All the good stores are out there.
there's a lot of good stores there. And what a great bench.
Oh, yep. The place next to Primitive Goods, the antique place.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
And beautiful. I mean, again, you're using the big objects. That's what I like to do. Go with scale, and
Yep.
then, you know, it doesn't look cluttery.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. Your walls, I know everyone's going to ask me, what did you make them out of?
Shiplap.
Shiplap.
Yep. Yep. I think these are the 7-inch ones.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're going into the kitchen. Oh my gosh. So you guys, I mean, I don't know how Amy does this. She's got kids and a dog, and this house looks like nobody lives here.
Right now.
In a few hours, it'll probably
Yeah.
look like there's a lot of people here.
Yep.
Beautiful. Just the
you.
bowls, so simple on the open shelves.
Yep.
And how about, what's the color of these cabinets?
Bonsai, they're called.
Bonsai.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep.
It's
I
all.
was going back and forth between white
Uh-huh.
and navy blue in this color, and then I picked this color.
Wow.
Yep.
Oh, I love it.
Thank you.
I absolutely love it. Beautiful. And a cute little shelf. That fits perfect.
Yeah. Yep.
This is what happens when I walk into a house. The first time, I'm overwhelmed with beauty.
Yeah.
And I just want to live there. Yeah.
I know. Same here.
And even your curtains, those are cool.
Yeah. Thank you.
And so what was on the ceiling?
Just sheetrock.
Sheetrock.
Yep.
Wow.
Yep.
And you just went and did
The whole
Yeah.
downstairs is the wood. Yeah.
wow. Okay, here's the before.
Yes.
These pictures are perfect. Oh, that is such a 1950s Cape
Right?
New England kitchen.
Very much so.
Yes! And it completely looks
Yeah,
different.
I know. We even actually knocked down the wall because it was very narrow here. It was like a little doorway.
Yeah.
And it was like tiny.
Yeah.
And we just kind of knocked it all out and made it wider. Yeah.
Wow.
Yep.
You just came in here like Joanna Gaines and moved walls and I want this chip.
My husband always says, you're trying to be like Joanna Gaines.
Yeah, we've always tried that too. And this is a gorgeous table and chairs.
Thank you. Target, believe it or not.
Wow.
For the chairs.
Wow.
Yep.
Yeah, you know, this is so peaceful and serene. Yeah, it really is. All right, now I gotta go home and redo my whole house.
That's how I do when I do houses.
I'm just salivating.
Yep.
And then this, you said, was once the mud room.
Yep, and here's a picture. It was not heated or anything. They just kind of came in, threw their shoes in, and...
Oh my goodness. Yeah. I mean, you know, I'd look at that and think it was cute, but what you've done in here is fantastic.
Yep, and then we opened the ceiling up, and it was just... It was flat at first. When we took off the sheetrock, it was all cathedral ceilings. And I said, oh my God, we're going to go with that.
Oh.
So we just added new wood to it, but it had the same shape.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so it was a flat ceiling, low, and when you took the sheetrock off...
That's what I got.
That's what you got.
Yes. Besides, I mean, it was that with old wood.
With old wood.
So we had to put new wood because it just, I mean, it wouldn't...
So is there insulation in here? Mm-hmm. So there's insulation on the other side of that?
There's insulation, it's like foam sheets that you put behind that.
Yeah.
And then, of course, on the wall on that side.
Wow.
Yep.
Oh, and you put a new window in here, obviously.
Yep.
Beautiful. And then this is cool.
Mm-hmm.
Did you make that?
Nope, that came from Pottery Barn, actually.
Wow.
That, the bench was an old table from my old house, but it was too big for this kitchen, so we turned it into a bench.
No, sir.
Because I didn't want to waste it. I loved it.
No, sir.
Yeah.
What a great tip.
Yep.
All right, I need a whole new house to decorate, and I'm going to do it just like this. And how about the floors?
This is also the brick tile.
Wow.
Yep. I went crazy with the brick tile.
So where did you get this brick tile?
That came from, I believe, Lowe's.
Oh,
online.
man.
You have to get it online, though.
Yeah.
Sometimes they have boxes.
Okay.
I think I got a couple boxes for the fireplace, but some of them I had to order online.
Yeah.
Yep.
So these are modern chairs, like they're wingback, but they're modern wingback.
Yeah. And again, I had both blue ones. They were matching, but the blue one broke, so we brought this one up until we get another one.
This is amazing.
Thank you.
I love the barn picture. That's just fun. Just sets this. It fits the wall perfectly. Now we got Poochie out there. Hello, babes. Yeah, this is beautiful. Yeah, it's just. And I'm seeing the bee-scapes, scaps everywhere.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm obsessed with those things.
Wow.
Yep.
Oh, just amazing. Guys, I hope you're getting a lot of good ideas here, because I am. And even this, okay, so that lamp is huge.
Yes.
And most people would be like, I can't put that there. That would be way too big. I need a big, but this is perfect.
Yeah, I saw one for a long time. I watched it online. I had it in my checkout box.
Okay.
And I finally said, you know what, I'm just going to get it. And if it don't look good, I'll return it.
Right. Where'd you get the lamp? Where'd you get that?
Pottery Barn.
Oh, gee.
Yeah, a lot of stuff from there.
Wow. It's amazing. And I love the plate rack.
Thank you.
I mean, the bowl rack. That's just so primitive with everything else that's modern and farmhouse. And oh, my cousin Mel would love this place.
Yeah, I know her. I know she looks so familiar.
Yeah, I bet you know her. Everybody does.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, wow. And this
Another bathroom.
Oh, man. And you redid the whole bathroom.
Yep. I don't have an old picture of this
Okay.
one. I couldn't find it.
I won't look for one, but we'll just appreciate it. That is so Restoration Hardware looking.
Doesn't it? Right?
Yes. Wow.
DECOR Planet, I think I got that from.
DECOR Planet?
Yeah.
Wow. Just ordered it online. Mm-hmm. And it came to your house. Mm-hmm. Bam. Just like that. And how about all these great prints that you have around?
That Pottery Barn.
Really?
I used to get a lot of my stuff from there.
That's amazing.
Yep.
Oh, I have that. I have that light.
You do?
In my kitchen. Yeah.
Oh, it's like Lowe's.
Yes, that's where I got it.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yep.
And then a herringbone, it's almost like a brick.
Right. Yep.
Yeah.
Another brick tile.
So you're pulling everything together through the house.
Right.
Yeah.
Yep. And then this is our bedroom, bathroom.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, wow. Ah,
Yeah.
beautiful. So you really didn't have any closets here, and so you did this?
So this room was they had it as a dining room.
Oh.
And it was like a little playroom. So we knocked the wall down, turned the playroom into a bathroom, and got some of the, the space right here.
Yeah.
But there was no closet space.
Okay.
It just wasn't big enough.
Yeah.
So if we had closets, we would have been like this shimmying around the bed. So we decided to just get the IKEA things in. And it works.
This is fantastic.
Yeah, it works.
It really does. It's fantastic.
Thank you.
Oh, man. Wow. Those little pictures are so cute there.
Yep, Nantucket.
I love Nantucket.
Me too.
Oh. And here's the before.
Yes, yep.
Wow. Oh, what a big difference. You have to be a real visionary to be able to pull this off.
Yeah, when you go into, it's hard to go into a house and figure out, what sold me on the house? The yard.
Really?
The yard and the shape of the house.
Okay.
So
yeah.
I think I can make it work then. As long as the yard's nice and the shape is good.
Right, right.
So,
beautiful sleigh bed.
yeah.
Gorgeous. Oh, man. Cute lamp. That's really cute.
Thank you.
And this, just a bowl with one green something in it.
Yep.
Ball. Yeah. Oh, how gorgeous. Just the touch of all these modern pictures and frames. It's just working for me. Yeah. Really cute. And what a great way to add closet space.
Yeah.
I have this problem in my house, but my rooms aren't even big enough to do that. The old house, they didn't have big rooms.
Definitely.
But that would be a wonderful addition. Mm-hmm. And again, a TV.
Yep. We have to have a
beautiful.
TV.
And the barn door.
Yeah.
That's fun. Oh. Oh, how cute. What a cute bathroom.
Thank you.
Oh. Oh, no, the washer and dryer's right there.
Yeah, we got to build something around it, but we haven't got that far.
Yeah, but what a great place to put it.
Yeah, definitely. It was downstairs before, and it was just
yeah, I know.
with 6 kids.
Yeah, with 6 kids, you're doing a lot of washing. This is the before, and it was a playroom.
Yep.
And then you turned it into a bathroom. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. And again, it's got the floor. Oh, it's got a really cool tub. Look at that, guys. That is beautiful. Subway tile. And then again, the brick floor. So do you have any problem maintaining the brick floor?
No, not at all. It hides everything.
Wow.
Yep.
Because I've thought of brick flooring some of my house, and I thought, I wonder what it would do.
No, I love it. It doesn't show every little thing. I used to have a black and white floor in there, and it showed everything.
Wow.
So I ripped it off.
I have a feeling that's a theme in your life.
It sure is.
And the ceiling, again, that's really nice.
Writing on it. It's like Bruce and Diana.
I love it. That's adorable. Yeah. Everything is real square.
Yes. Yeah. My cousin says that. He's like, how come everything's square?
Everything is square and symmetrical, and this is the old bathroom. Again, we've all seen bathrooms so
right.
And we think, maybe if we put a pretty picture up. But no, not you. You take the whole thing apart.
Right.
And just cut it. Okay, so this is the kind of door that was here.
Right. And we haven't fixed that one yet. The one behind you, we've got to that one.
But those doors are beautiful.
Thank you.
It's fun. I love it.
Thank you.
I think I need to copy that. Oh, Amy, it's beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for having us
problem.
here. I just love it.
Thank you so much.
It's been really great. And anyone else who wants to show your house, let me know if you're local.
Yep.
Okay. Bye, everybody. Bye, Amy.
Bye.